What's up, YouTube? This is your boy ICH3 Tech, and this is an unboxing of the MacBook Air 2013. I have the full out spec one. See the specs right there. The MacBook Air 13-inch, i7, 8 gigs, 512 flash. Pull out my scissors to cut the edges. Alright, get right to it. Got like a little foam in the side there. But here goes the Air. USB 3 mics, dual mics, headphone jack, and MagSafe. And on the other side, you got your Thunderbolt port, USB 3, and an SD slot. And I'll show more of that end of here. Get your normal things. I'm not going to show that. And you get your cords here. For the computer to MagSafe. Get these cords here. Alright, let's get the rest of this stuff out the way. Straight into it, to the Mac Air. This is a full spec'd out one. I wanted to get this one so I do a lot more traveling, school with, and feel just like my MacBook Air. I'm a MacBook Pro Retina display, a little smaller, but that's the MacBook Air 2013 model. Display. Show you how thin it is when it's closed. But I do got other features that I'm gonna be putting on here. Definitely representing this. I'm actually putting this on there from this website. Definitely go to them if you want to get your computer decked out, your cell phone decked out with different, stickers or anything. You definitely go on that website there. But this is my unboxing of the MacBook Air. This is the 13-inch. It's the i7 processor, and it got it's 1.8 Intel Haswell processor with a turbo boost of 3.3, and it actually got 8 gigs of RAM and 512. I got that one, and then I actually went with the time capsule, 2 terabyte time capsule. And this is your boy ICH3 Tech. Catch you later. And leave a comment below. Please subscribe and leave your comments, and I'll be giving you more reviews on different products. And let me know what you want me to review, and leave a comment below. All right, catch you later.
Yeah. Worry about a hater? Not me. What? Turn to the max, no sleep. Smoke the 100 joints to the